rep and a member of this committee.
This
Transparent.
Wilson. Thank you. But meanwhile, before you do that, another.
As a National Olympic Committee, flowing seamlessly, and we want
opportunity. This is the second time experience was athletes get to start on France the village. Able to assure members of parliament that preparations have been going on, but also told them that in future we need more funding to be able to prepare them much early. We've been able to say that we made all the logistical arrangements of Team Kenya to participate, and if they were to go to Paris tomorrow, everything will be in place, making sure that we give them team the pride that is required and that is necessary.
Na ile ya muhimu ni kwamba kwa wananchi wote wa Kenya tunataka kuhakikishia ile kitu tunaifanya ni tunafanya kazi ili kuhakikisha wana michezo wetu wawe na kila kitu ambayo wanahitaji ili waweze kuenda kufanikisha kazi yao wakati ya michezo katika Olimpiki ile tunaenda huko Ufaransa.